Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. In this video, we're going to be making the second project, which was an exclusive mystery item in my 20K giveaway box. Now that the box has been received and opened by the winner, I can reveal that this project was a quill. So check out the description box below for all the supplies you're going to need to make this project, as well as the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. So first of all, we have our feathers. I've got a couple of different kinds. This is just white feathers that I got from a craft store. I also got these from the craft store, but I bought this package because it comes with red, yellow, green, blue, white, and black. And these were perfect because they're the Hogwarts house colors. The giveaway that I do, you can choose which house you're in, and then I will make you a quill according to your house color, or I'll just make you a white one if you'd rather just have a white quill. So let's just set these aside. I'm gonna make a white quill in this video, so I'll just use this white feather to make my quill. On top of the feather, you're also going to need a wooden kebab skewer, and then you're also going to need some metal or plastic beads. You'll need a hot glue gun, and then some pen nibs. And these, I just bought this package from a local craft store, but I'll also have a link in the description to the nibs if you wanna buy them. And the nibs are the tips that you actually write with. So first, I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna pick one that actually fits properly on this skewer. So I have put one of the pen nibs right on the end of this wooden skewer, and it fits pretty well. Now the next thing we want to do is get these beads out and pick a few that are going to fit, and you can kind of style this however you want. So I've chosen these 4 beads to kind of decorate my quill with, and you can choose whichever ones you want. Yours probably would be a different style than these, but I'll try and find the exact ones that I'm using here so that I can link them in the description box. And then you will just basically feed these onto the skewer. So now this is where the hot glue gun comes into play. We need to get these glued on there and attached pretty securely before we move forward. And then I'll feed this first bead onto it, but not quite to the end where the tip of the pen is. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on here, just like this, so that when I put the bead onto it, it will kind of like, you know, go over the hot glue and stick. Now you can go ahead and take some of that hot glue off the outside that you can kind of see, so we'll just go ahead and take that off of there. Okay, and then we'll just keep doing that with each one of these beads. Get the next bead close to where I want it with a little bit of extra space here, and then I'm going to add a little bit more hot glue on here onto the stick, and then I will feed the bead over the hot glue again, and then I can go ahead and kind of peel off that excess glue from around the edge. All right, and we'll just keep going until we have all the beads on here. So this is what the tip of our quill looks like so far, and this is we're going to attach this to the feather so that this is basically the part that we hold with our hand will be these metal beads. To get this done, the first thing we want to do is take our scissors and snip off this tip of our feather. So there we go. Now the top of the feather is cut off, and now that this is cut, the idea is to trim this skewer stick. I'm gonna trim mine right up to about here. You see, it's just so that it fits right on the tip of this feather, so I can put it inside of this piece of the feather. So I'm just gonna measure it out with my finger right there. So that's where I want to cut. And then I'll take my scissors and cut. So now what I'm left with is just this piece. And then this should fit pretty well right in the top of right in the tip of the feather. I just need to kind of fill this top tip part of the feather with a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to insert this inside of it. So I'll just take my hot glue gun and squeeze a little bit of glue in there. And now I'm going to take this skewer stick tip and put it right into the feather. And once that dries, this probably won't be able to come apart again. So that is our quick and easy Feather Quill pen. As for parchment paper to write on, you can download the texture that I've included, and you can just print that double-sided on paper and trim off the white, or print it completely borderless if your printer can do that. And then there you go, there you have some parchment. But I'm going to use this parchment that I purchased, and these pages are just really cool. It looks like real parchment, and this will be what I use to write with my Feather Quill pen. So we'll take a look and see how well this does. So that was just a little bit messy to get open, but I was able to do it. I got a little bit of ink on my fingertips, but that's okay. So you would just dip the tip of your pen into the ink, and then you can write anything you want on the parchment. As you can see, it does turn out pretty nice. If you'd like to win a quill made by me, there's a weekly giveaway link in the description box below. The winner just needs to let me know what house you're in so that I can make your quill the color of your house, or if you'd rather, you can just get a white quill like the one I made in this video. I'll also be sending a few sheets of parchment paper along with the quill. And now for something completely random, I have designed an exclusive item for Gobstone Alley's subscription box for September. So if you're interested in getting that subscription box with my exclusive item in it, like I said, it's the September box, and if you use the discount code Muggle Magic, that's all caps with no space, you will get 10% off the box. And now to announce the winner of the giveaway for the full deck of exploding snap cards. And the winner is Maya Vandevelde. Congratulations, and I've sent you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.